It's like saying your glass isn't working anymore because you're trying to put too much water in it. Hey guys, Ben here with If Nutrition, and in today's video I'm going to be discussing a topic that seems to come up quite a lot with intermittent fasting and weight loss, and that is intermittent fasting isn't working anymore. So I'd love to know, how long have you been intermittent fasting for? Let me know in the comments below and let's get back into the video. Now, like I say, most of the time when this comes up, it's linked to weight loss. People have been losing weight whilst intermittent fasting, and they've just found that over time they're simply not losing weight anymore. And they put it down to the fact that intermittent fasting isn't working. And that just simply isn't true. We need to step it back and look at why we lose weight in the first place. You lose weight by keeping yourself in a calorie deficit, which simply means that we're consuming fewer calories on a daily basis than what our body needs in order to basically operate, which means that our body is then forced to pull energy from our fat supplies and burn it as fuel. And this is why we lose weight. If you stop losing weight, it is simply that you are consuming too many calories, and therefore your body no longer needs to pull that energy from your fat stores, which means you're not going to burn any fat as fuel and you're not going to lose any weight. So it is not that intermittent fasting has stopped working for you, it's you're simply now consuming more calories than what you need to in order to pull those calories from your fat stores. And this is because the body is smart, and over time it will just simply adapt. And especially as you lose weight, the calories that you were consuming when you were a heavier weight, you're not going to need to consume that amount of calories anymore. Now you've dropped weight. So you simply need to dial back the amount of calories you're consuming a day a little bit. I suggest dropping off 100 to 200 calories per day. Drop that out of your diet. Stick with the intermittent fasting, and then see over the next few weeks if you then start to get back into your stride and start losing weight again. If you do, that's great. You can stay at that amount of calories a day. If you find that after 2 weeks you're not dropping weight again, then you need to decrease the calories by about another 100. And then again, give it a week to 2 weeks and you will start dropping weight again. Ultimately, you need to make sure that you've cut your calories enough, like I said before, that you're pulling that energy from your body's fat stores to burn as fuel, because this is where you will lose weight. So it's not that intermittent fasting isn't working anymore, it's just you are now consuming more calories than what your body needs. So I hope you found that video useful. If you have, make sure you smash that like button. And if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon to get notified as soon as I release new nutritional videos just like this one. And I will see you in the next video.